We're doing pork belly. We're doing lollipop pork belly. We're doing smoked pork belly. We're probably doing the best appetizer ever. Every day, cooking dad, cooking every day. We picked up our pork belly from Costco. All right, let's go over our seasonings real quick. We got brown sugar, black pepper, paprika, salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, ground mustard, Cajun seasoning, and if you like, a little bit of cayenne pepper. All the exact measurements that I use will be down below. This is a basic rub. You can add, you can take away, you can do whatever you want. It's very basic. I use this on pretty much everything. It's really good on chicken too. And I have a chicken video that I basically use the same rub. I don't know if I added it or take away but some of the stuff that I use, but I'll link it. All right, so we're gonna go on with our rub. And we're gonna just get this rub everywhere on all sides. So we're gonna go ahead and just rub it in, massage it really good. All right, now comes the lollipop time or the stick time. This is a great appetizer. I tried to get cute with it. You know, put a stick, because normally you'll cut these up into little squares, bite-sized squares. So I said, you know what, let's put a stick through this. I don't know if it's something I came up with, but I'm pretty sure somebody out there in the world has done it. But it's a nice little appetizer you could put out. You know, people pick it up at the party or at your football tailgate. You know, your friends come over and have a beer and some lollipop pork belly. All right, be careful here. Don't poke yourself. You know, and we're gonna take these outside to our grill. We're using the pellet grill with a hickory smoke. Now, I'm not worried about getting these smoked up too much. So you can kind of do these in the oven at home if you wanted to. Wouldn't be a big deal. It's more about rendering the fat and making these so tender that when you bite into it, it's just so good. All right, you know, I just decided to go on with some more seasoning. Listen to yourself. Listen to your little inner you. These reheat really well, so you definitely could do these the day before your people come over. So guys, you know, if you could, please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that we're here. Now just score the stick and snap it. That one went pretty well. And this one not so much. We scored it. We figured, hey, we'll snap it. No, that didn't happen. There we go. All right, we'll just do the rest. Okay, on to our pellet grill. We had our grill set up to 450 preheating, so that when we put our meat in, you know, the grill is already hot, nice and hot, and we'll get nice little slightly sear marks on the meat. And here's where we're gonna let the grill do the work. This is the easy part now. So time for a couple of games of Madden. And we're set to 225. The grill's right now at 443 and dropping. So now it's time for those couple of games of Madden. We won. 2 hours later, this is what we got. Now I did come out and flip these once around the 1 hour mark. So now it's time for braising. All right, let me show you guys how we have this set up here. Let me move the camera. All right, I got some Better Than Billion. We're hitting it in with some hot water just so we don't lower the temperature of the meat, and we can get it fried with some nice hot water, onion, celery, and that's it. We're gonna put these in water. We might as well have that water seasoned. All right, we got that all dissolved in with the meat. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cover with aluminum foil. And then we're gonna take this up to 250. You probably could do 300, but I'm gonna stick with 250 because we got time today. It's Saturday, so we're not really in a rush. So we're at 225. We're gonna take it up to 250, and we'll be back in about an hour, hour and a half. All right, through the magic of editing, we came back in about an hour, 15 minutes. And this is what we got. All right, at this point, we're gonna check for tenderness. Got it right through. It's no resistance at all, zero resistance. Your teeth will just sink right through this. But we can't serve this right now because that would be wet barbecue, watery barbecue. So we're gonna put these back on for 15, 20 minutes or so and get a nice little bark on them. I'm gonna turn the grill up too while we do that. Guys, these are gonna be great. We're in a home run stretch here. Your appetizers are almost done. All right, we turned it up to 450. It's set to 243 right now. All right, we went about 20 minutes. And we're gonna put barbecue sauce on 2 of them. Just to like a little bit A/B test. So the next time I make these, I'll know which way I like it better. So on with the barbecue sauce. Get them all around both sides. We'll flip them. Yeah, these are done. I mean, these are so done that I'm ready to eat now. But we got to let that barbecue sauce set. All right, guys, it's time for plating. We went another 10 minutes to get that barbecue sauce right. And these are the dry rub ones. I'm more partial to the dry rub, but the barbecue sauce ones are good too. Guys, once you get the pork belly rendered down, the fat in the pork belly rendered down, oh, it's so soft and juicy. I mean, appetizer like this, you put that down in front of your friends and family just before the game. You know, then maybe some barbecue chicken. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is a good summertime favorite. You know, some beer, some pork belly. Doesn't get much better than that. And those are our sauced ones. Hey, hit me up at the bottom. Let me know which ones you like. All right, it's time for our flyover. There's our dry rub. There's our barbecue. You see how it's just falling over? Guys, like, subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day.